Yo, it's Donald B, and how are you guys doing? Y'all know how I do. Just that energy that flows. It's like, what can I do today? What we gonna talk about today? But anyways, let's cut to the chase. We're talking about making $5,000 a month. How can we do that using the ChatGPT system and email marketing? How can we do that? Well, this is the video where I'm going to explain that, but I can always tell you before we do anything, I want you to please like, subscribe, and leave some comments. Whatever it is that's going to help you get back with me. I want you to be able to watch all the videos. I'm going to continually posting these videos. My goal is probably to try to do at least 3 videos a week. So keep an eye out for that. I'll probably put it in the banner, so I'll be posting 3 videos a week if I can. That is the goal. But editing the videos, and I have other multiple channels I'm working on, it can be a little difficult. But my goal is to stay to 3 a week. I'm gonna try to go to 5, but I'm gonna keep these videos, try to make it like 5-minute videos and make it like 3 minutes. Not just 3 minutes. I'm gonna try to make like 5-minute videos and try and help you guys and get this information out to you. Well, first thing, we all know about email listings, right? You got to create it, build it so they can get it out there. And then again, maybe you don't know what email marketing is. Email marketing is another way to be able to communicate with your clients or potential clients. If you want your clientele to come back, and if you want your clientele to know information, subscribe to your platform, anything like that, email marketing is a way to actually help that to happen, because it will continuously send emails that you personally don't have to manually put in. You don't have to, but it's another way of actually getting that information out there. Because email marketing is basically all automated. It's generated automated emails that's just going to send out to people once a day, once a week, however you want to schedule it. Like I always tell people, it takes like 7 times for someone to see something before they react to it. So that's why I feel like email marketing is going to be helpful to you. Well, the first step in making money with email marketing is by creating an email list. One of the best ways of doing it is usually offering something free. So sometimes you can provide a free ebook. Say, hey, I'm offering a free ebook. You guys go into my link down below my YouTube, or go to my link in my email listing, and you'll get my free ebook. And then on that top of that, where the money part comes in, is when you offer other things. But like I said, create that email listing so that way you can get a list of people that you can contact, reach out to. Like once you have the information, it's going to help you to be able to start sending them emails, to start sending them products and services that you can start promoting to them. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be so much easier for you than you just individually trying to look for people, and it's helpful. Always give away free stuff. Free stuff is amazing. Don't be afraid to give away free stuff. Most people do it. Most business owners do it. This is where they make money. Most of us do it, so that way we can get money generated in, because you want to get the clientele. Build your portfolio. Build your clientele list. Don't be afraid to give away free stuff. I give away a lot of free advice on my Facebook group. That's information but the thing is, a lot of this information you can find on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. So that's why I provide a lot of information. Now, see, the next step is create the engaging type of emails. Like I always tell you, it takes about 7 times for someone to really react to whatever you're trying to promote to them. But keep setting up those emails. Like I said, can you automatically generate them? Again, ChatGPT, where does it come in? It creates great quality content for you. It can create those emails for you. Of course, you want to tweak it in your own words, but at the end of the day, it's a great way to help you and get most of the information up for you ready to go. It'll be able to help you create these emails faster. Yeah, typically, whatever you do, you just simply put in a prompt into the actual ChatGPT. You basically put in a prompt for the ChatGPT, and it's basically going to do all the work for you. It will do all the work for you. Like I said, you just got to go back and do some tweaking to it. Now, see, the great part about the email listing, because it depends on what you're providing or what kind of information you're giving people, you can tweak the emails to go to certain people for certain things. So if you know somebody's coming in, like me, I do websites, I do TikTok. I said TikToks. Whoa. Well, I need a TikTok. No, I do websites, I do like TikTok videos. So if somebody's coming in and they want to do TikTok videos, I can put my email towards those people who are really interested in TikToks, or people who are really interested in websites. So You can create it and make it your own and make it work so that way they're not just getting the most random email out there. There's a lot of ways, there's a lot of tools out there that you can utilize. I like to use like Aweber, or I use my Wix platform. I typically use my Wix platform because that's what I use to create websites. But you can utilize those tools to be able to create email marketing so that when people get it, it actually means something to them. And more than anything, what a lot of us fail to do is you don't have a call to action or a CTA. If you hear CTA, that's what that means, call to action. You need to give a reason for someone to come back. Leave some kind of question. Leave something, I don't mean like a yes or no question. Give something so they can give back some feedback. You want to be able to get them to come back to you and respond to you, or direct them to something. Say, hey, click on this link now to get access to my free ebook. Stuff like that. If you just leave it, hey, have a nice day. All right, okay, cool. You're not providing them any information. Make sure your email is visually appealing. So sometimes you put a link somewhere as they're reading, they can click on the link multiple times. Put it in multiple options. Don't be afraid to do that. But just make it look appealing so that people know that there's other options for them. Give them other options. Don't leave it as a blank statement. Say, hey, this is what I'm giving you. All right, cool. Have a nice day. No, don't do that. You're not going to get anything from that. So once you've done all that, now it's time to automate it. Like I said, you can automate it to the point where it goes out to people once a day, once a week, however you want it for people to see it. I always say once a day or once every other day, so people will continuously getting those emails, because it will get to a point like either one, they will finally make a decision to go with it, or two, they will just either tell you to unsubscribe, or they will unsubscribe from the email. Once they do that, and that's it, you're good. Either way, they've made a decision, because they don't want to see their emails being flooded with it. Unless you're like me, who don't like to leave emails. But it's all good. I unsubscribe when I get a chance. But it's something they can do. They have the advantage of it. But the biggest piece is automate it so that way people can get access to your information. By you doing this, it gives people opportunities to reach out to any products you have, any service you're offering, like coaching that I offer. I always offer coaching to my people who need help growing their TikToks or their Reels, or just any idea when it comes to social media marketing. But that's how you want to be able to help yourself to gain money. I'm not gonna lie to you. Getting like $10,000 a month, or $5,000 a month, or even $100 a day, that does sound pretty good. It does sound pretty good. You just got to put your information out there. I know a lot of you don't know how to do these things, and I feel like me providing this information will be very helpful. Okay? So there's a lot of tools out there. Like I said, for me personally, I use Wix. There's another tool called MailChimp. There's one called Conversion Pro. Conversion Pro, I feel like, is pretty expensive. And there's multiple ones out there. You can look. I'm gonna give you. You know what? I'm gonna give you a little tip here. Look, watch this. On the ChatGPT, I'm gonna give you the 5 best email services right here. Boom. Thank me later. But this is stuff you can do with ChatGPT. I'm saying it's a moneymaker for you. If you don't take advantage of it, you're losing out, bro. Use it now while everybody's getting access to it, because it's free right now, and this thing is life. It's life. You can do things so much faster now. So like I said, this is another great way of making some more money. I'm gonna put another video out there so you guys can watch my beautiful face, explain to you guys how things work, how you can make more money. I'm all about making that money, bro. I'm all about making that money. So I know you are too, because the reason why that's why you watch it, because they clearly said, how do you make $5,000 a month? Duh. I mean, I'm just starting with $5,000. You can probably make a lot more than that. It all depends on the work you put into it. But like I said, this is the opportunity to make that money now even easier for you. It's so much easier because you have the ChatGPT that's helping you out there. It's like an assistant. You have an assistant who's actually helping you. It's like, hey, baby. But it's the AI system. It works. It's your own personal assistant. It's going to help you. Tell it what you want, and it got you. It's like, I got you, bro. That's what the ChatGPT says to me. I got you. I got you. All right, I'm gonna go though. But just remember, please like, subscribe, and please leave a comment. Please hit that notification bell so that way you can actually reach back out to me, or also so that anytime I post, you can see it coming through. Because like I said, I'm gonna keep posting, and I'm on this whole other level right now. I have other channels I'm working on too. It's just this is the way to go, people. This is the way to go. So let's make this happen. As I always say, it's not deuces, it's deuces.
Thank